Hey, thanks for joining us again today. Chef Wayne, the Florida Cannabis Chef here. Today I've got another comfort food special for you. I am making a triple cheese potato casserole, otherwise known as AuGratin Potatoes. Okay, now listen, this is my style. There's many versions of doing it. I really like this one. It's creamy and dreamy and tasty. Okay, now listen, I've heard a lot of you say, hey chef, you use a lot of cannabis butter. Well, yes I do. And the reason I use a lot of cannabis butter is because cannabis butter I make from the whole plant. That gives us all the terpenes and the cannabinoids that our body so much desires. The cannabis plant is wonderful for the human body, and that's why I use cannabis butter a lot. Here we go. Let's get started on that triple cheese potato casserole for you right now. Now, you don't want to forget to subscribe to the channel and click that little bell to get future notifications of upcoming videos. We got all kinds of neat and wild stuff coming for you. But here we go with the potato casserole. We have 2.5 pounds of peeled potatoes that I've sliced on a mandolin at approximately 1/4 inch. Here we have heavy cream in a separate saucepan, 1 cup of heavy cream. To that we're going to add 6 ounces of cream cheese. Now we got our cream cheese in, and we're going to add next 3 tablespoons of cannabis butter. It came in at approximately 120 milligrams of THC. And of course, we are doing this on low heat. We're just going to mix this up real nice. The cream cheese will make this a nice, smooth sauce. Now, in our oven-ready baking dish, we're going to layer our potatoes, hit it with a little pepper. Each layer, I hit it with a little pepper. Then 8 ounces of shredded cheese total, 3 ounces of Asiago. And we are going to layer this, so portion out your cheese. Now, on each layer, we're going to pour over a little bit of sauce, like so. We're going to repeat this procedure for 3 layers. As you see here, each time we want to season it with a little bit of the cracked pepper, put our cheese down, the Parmesan, and our cheddar cheese. There we go. Now we're layering it down. Here's layer number 3. Cheese again, sauce and cheese, same procedure every time. Now the final layer we're coming up with, we're just going to put on cheese and cheese. We reserved quite a bit of the cheddar. Now we're going to bake this in the oven at 325 degrees for 45 minutes. Here's what it looks like bubbling away. We got approximately 8 portions of 15 milligrams of THC per portion. Isn't that pretty? This is Chef Wayne, the Florida Cannabis Chef. We really hope you enjoyed today's video of how to make a triple cheese potato casserole, otherwise known as potato au gratin. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click that little bell, share with all your like-minded friends. Until next time, happy cannabis cooking.